we are trying out a big bike today to see if it's something I want to build myself, because this is a kit that you can convert a YZ450 or 250 into electric with. It's unreleased. This is from Electro & Co, who does a lot of the Razor stuff, and they did a beautiful job with this conversion kit. It's got laser cut mounts here for the battery. 72 volt battery is actually an L. It goes up and then under the seat like this. Huge battery, big old motor, foot brake, hand front brake, no clutch, big beautiful YZ250. From far away from an untrained eye, it looks like a normal gas bike, but it's a DIY electric conversion that's supposed to have the same performance as a 250 on the track. So that's what we're going to try today and see if it's something I want to build. Look at this thing. Beautiful.
He can change it on the fly if he wants. I think you're familiar with this from your YZ, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. Look at this thing. This is sick. Foot brake, right?
Yeah, it's a foot brake.
Okay.
Not my favorite either. This is a himism.
You like a foot brake?
Yeah.
I'm just so used to it, like it's hard to change.
Yeah, I bet. So I'll just turn it on here, right?
Yep.
Thought this was a display for a second. All right, hey, thank you so much. I'm gonna take it out for a first run here. And I can just go right onto the track. I don't need like a wristband or a stamp on my hand or anything?
Nope. So I would go on the side of the track, past this jump where he's jumping. And at that turn, you get on at that turn.
Get on there.
I get on.
Okay, so I'll actually go in this way. Yeah, right? All right, and it's 1, 2, 3, or right? And it's 1, 2, 3, or
yeah, exactly. Okay. Eco, normal, sport.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, gentlemen. See ya. So smooth.
You're gonna want at least normal.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, I feel so badass on this. Yeah, we're on the big boy track with this thing. I am so out of my element. Full size 250 Yamaha YZ250. I can't even talk. This is so sick. This is like my second time at a real track like this on a big bike. It's getting so much arm pump. I need to hug the bike more with my legs. That didn't hurt at all. That didn't hurt at all. Let's go.
You're doing so fucking
Do you see me wipe out there?
I'm so impressed.
Oh man, this thing rides amazing. It's like I've already ridden it before. It's so intuitive. I like the size. I like the suspension. I feel like I can go over anything. Might have to build one out, do a supermoto.
That'd be so sick.
I really like the size, the form, how it feels, and with the suspension and everything. Got the Stark Varga. So sick. You.
I like that, you know, to like put your foot over and not drag it across.
Oh, up against the Varg. He's gone. In the dust. Oh. Oh. That's how slow I am. These guys are flying past me. I'm still in the lowest power mode. I don't want to turn it up at all. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Saturday morning, just leaving my girlfriend's place. There's a ride out a mile away. I'm on my way there. It's a new group I've never ridden with before. I don't know what to expect. We're downtown, baby. What's up? Is this the mini bike meetup? Sweet. Hey there, gentlemen. I don't think any of us have met before.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, Sur Ronster. Yeah, pleasure. We're hitting the streets today, huh?
Harry.
Hey, Harry. It does come electric, but it's all been swapped out. Yeah. It's originally a kid's toy.
It's like, fuck, I'm getting a razor. I see a couple kinky links.
Yeah, you know, if anyone's got chain lube in their pocket, I'll happily take some. Really?
Oh.
This is a nice little build you got.
It's the same as Tuesday night for me. I'm in bed.
This is our pack. We're heading to the biggest mini bike meetup of the year. Wow. Brakes are still warming up. I like a pack this size. Under 20 heads, really good size pack. I think this is what we would find in nature. If we were still cavemen, we'd be in 20 man bike packs. I'm the only one here wheeling. Oh shit, cop. Give them the salute, that's all they need. They're so chill in LA. But the leader of the pack was just giving us a brief before the ride, and he was like, hey, oh, there's another cop. He was like, hey, when we go through Glendale, don't pop any wheelies, because last week there was a Sur who popped a wheelie in Glendale in the pack, and a cop pulled up in front of him, blocked him, and drew his gun on the Sur rider for a wheelie. So it sounds like we're avoiding Glendale, which I'm happy about. So this is a meetup where people enter their mini bikes into basically like a beauty contest competition. There's some prizes, there's some giveaways. I'm just excited to see a bunch of cool mini bikes, and hopefully there's some riding there too. Oh, I can't wait to walk around and look at everything.
Sur Ronster?
Yeah, what's up? Something really unique about these bikes is that this is the foot brake, right? And it slows the bike down by rubbing this metal pad up against the tire. So there's no brake rotor or anything. It just rubs metal against the tire. It's so cool. Jacob!
No!
Let's go, bro!
No!
Come
What's
on.
up, bro?
I didn't know you'd be here.
Here, bro, that's in the wrong spot.
So you're putting on this sparks the exhaust so that it shoots flames. That's what you're doing? No way.
This one's electric. Let's go.
This is absolutely my favorite. Look at this. That's massive.
It's such a great partner here with Joe's Mini Bike Reunion. Traditions, including a tackle fest, which is coming up in a few minutes. Stand by, get your jet fuel, get your C60. Oh yeah, people in high places and celebrity. Let's hear some reps, you guys. Come on, make it loud. Best, louder than ever. We're looking for the high desert to represent.
Yeah, I love that one.
Alright, I just got to notice some security. We can't have people riding in the park.
I managed to run out of almost all my battery on the way here, so Jim's picking me up.
Did you never meet him? It's so much better when you put the ass in first.
Oh, really? Well done. I got your phone. That fits so perfectly. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hasta luego.